Well, it's kind of a gray and gloomy day, but I can't think of a better place to cook something up. We're out here in the beautiful Ghost Valley, looking to make something for a nice warm meal. I'm going to do Frankfurter Casserole. First thing we need is some smokies. We need some onion, we need some potatoes, and we need some pepper. A little bit of salt and pepper and a bit of oil. Let's start by cutting up our onion. I'm going to use about half of this big onion. Set that aside. Cut it into big chunks. Like so. Next, we're going to cut our sausage into larger chunks. Alright, we got this cut up. We're going to start her on a pot. You want a fairly low heat for this. This isn't a super high heat thing, so I've only got a small flame going. I've taken the fire and I'm going to feed it in under the pot. That way we can control it and keep a fairly low heat. A little bit of oil. Next up, we're going to take probably 4 or 5 potatoes. I leave the skin on. I feel like it gives it a bit of flavor, it gives it a bit of texture. I tend to use a red potato. You can also use a russet or a baking potato. Again, go with fairly big chunks. Don't be shy about that. Chop these guys up, section them off, get them in there. Alright, we'll get our potatoes in. Put a lid on it. Alright, now the potatoes, the sausage, and the onions are in. We're going to cut up some peppers. We're going to let those guys cook down for about a beer, maybe a beer and a half's worth of time. In the meantime, I'll cut these guys up, and then after those cook a bit, we'll get the peppers in with it too. Again, I like to leave things in fairly big chunks. I'm not shy about that. I feel like this is outdoor cooking, this is camping cooking. There should be some substance to it. Also makes things go faster. This is a great meal for if you've got a big group, or if you have a small group, you can sort of scale it up and down as you see fit. It's pretty darn cost effective. It doesn't cost much more than a pack of Smokies and some peppers and potatoes. A little bit of onion. And there's a bit of preparation, but it mostly cooks itself. One more time, I'm going to suggest leaving it on a fairly low heat. I've got a pretty small fire going, and I just kind of tuck coals in under as we go. I don't want to get things too hot and heavy with this. We'll post the recipe for this on our website, legacy-outdoors.com. Come by and visit, give us some comments. Alright, we're going to let the potatoes, the onions, and the sausage cook up for about one beer, call it 30 minutes. Then we'll throw these peppers in. Well, it's been about 30 minutes, about a beer in a little bit. Potatoes are starting to soften up, so what we're going to do now is take the peppers we've cut up and toss them in. And they go. Also going to take this time, I'm going to add a fair amount of pepper, a little bit of salt. Alright, we're going to give these guys another 15-20 minutes, maybe another half an hour to cook up. I'll stir it every 5 or so minutes, make sure she doesn't burn, and then I'll show you the result. Alright, we are almost exactly an hour into this cook. Potatoes are nice and soft, the sausage is nice and warm, peppers have softened up quite a bit. It is just right. So, once again, thanks very much for watching. If you want the recipe, come visit us at legacy-outdoor.com. We cooked everything today on the pit, flat pack barbecue and fire pit. Give me a call if you have any questions. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks very much.